And this recording is obviously discuss our Theorem 9. Thanks for tuning in. This is the last theorem lana ku Euclidean geometry ka grade 11. So in total, our theorems is now I9. So this is the last one, Theorem 9. In the description box, uzothola ama links for amanye ama theorems recordile for this lesson here too. Yeah, Euclidean geometry grade 11. So now we're interested. In fact, I recommend ukutuwabukele nawo manje. I highly recommend. As well as there's an exercise for Theorem 9 to help you better understand the Theorem number 9. So uzoyithola in the description box. Now Theorem 9 une converse theorem sizoyiprova. No Theorem 9 sizomprova. After doing our proofs, sizoyenza maybe a short exercise nyana. So now Theorem 9. Theorem 9 bathi the angle between a tangent to a circle and a chord drawn from the point of contact is equal to an angle in the alternate segment. This is tan chord. Nasithi tan chord, it's the statement or the reason esisebenzayo whenever nisebenzisa utheorem number 9. So utheorem 9 unama case I2. There's the acute angle case, kubuye kube ne obtuse angle case. So Theorem 9 uthi le angle le it's equal to this angle. This angle is equal to this angle. So ngapha kule case lena this angle is equal to this angle. This angle is equal to that angle, right? So lena it's an obtuse angle case ngoba there's an obtuse angle a greater than 90 degrees. And then lana there's an acute angle case, an angle that is less than 90 degrees. So lama angles siswathola la on top of the tangent to ama acute angle, and then la ama obtuse angle a1. Then it's still an acute angle. Yeah. Okay. Now asqale ngokuprova the acute angle case kuqala. Right. Now the obtuse angle case siqala senze construction lana we do this. Okay, so draw a diameter like this, and then it's just draw connect no point E, right? So whenever but to prove theorem 9 and we told the acute angle case, you need to draw you need to construct construction yako. It's always going like this. So it's A, B, C, D, E, C to F lo. C to F, and then angle E it's divided into 1, 2. It's divided into 2 angles, and then up it's divided into 1, 2. Maybe let's say angle 3. Yes, angle 3. Now, also we are given a tangent A, B, C. Right? This time we are given a tangent. That's our hypothesis. Given tangent. Right, we are required to prove ukuthi okay lana we have to prove ukuthi angle B2, let's say angle DBC is equal to the angle yala BED, this angle. So we prove ukuthi le angle is equal to this angle BED. This is our required to prove the given lana given ABC is a tangent. Hypothesis, we need to prove the conclusion, right? And then the theorem is just the negative of this 2, right? Buyela ku theorem number 1 nangabe ukhohliwe ilo kanje ukuthi yini converse. But anyway, asizela DBC, the angle is equal to this one. Siprova kanjani? Sithi proof. Asiprove ukuthi the first thing, so whenever when the construction, you need to tell us ukuthi okay, I've drawn ubani diameter diameter BOF and EF, yeah, EF. Then from lana ke sifuna ukuprove ukuthi le angle le it's equal to this angle. Singayiprove kanjani ke? First thing engayenza la ukuthi okay ngibona theorem number 2. Wait. Yeah, theorem number 2 khona as well as theorem number 7 ukhona naila. So the first thing esingayenza la singathi okay u-E1 now umhlanganisa no E2 I get 90 degrees. Why? Ngoba this angle as a whole, it's what? It's an angle in a semi or semicircle. In a semicircle. And then as well as B1 plus B2 is equal to 90 degrees. Theorem 7, radius perpendicular to a tangent, right? So you know 90 degrees. So about lama angles way 2 are equal. This angle and this angle are equal. In other words, E1 plus E2 is equal to angle P1 plus angle P2, right? So they are both equal to 90 degrees. So as we equate again. Now we also see that there's also theorem number 4 la. B1 is equal to E2. B1 is equal to not E2 but E1, is it? B1 yeah, B1, yeah, E1, yeah, okay, yeah, E1 is equal to B1. This is a bow tie. So our angles in the same segment. Therefore saying about okay, since B1 now P1 ulingana no E2, so from this equation le 2 le izokhanselana ngoba they are equal. So E1 equal to B2. Why le 2 le izokhanselana ngoba nangitranspose B1 ngapha uyokhansela lo E2 since they are equal, or nangithatha E2 ngimtransposela ngale uzokhansela lo kanje ngoba they both change ama signs. Aye man, it's E1 la. It's E1. B1 E1. Okay, let's say this is E1 lona E2 lona. So therefore yosala E2 E2 no B2. So E2 is equal to B2. Sesiyiprovile kanjalo ukuthi le angle lega B2 ilingana no E2. That's theorem number 9. Therefore DBC is equal to BED. Yabona? B2 now ulingana no bani no BED. No BED. So therefore siprovile ke acute angle case. Asiyenze the second case, acute angle case. So the obtuse angle case. So for the obtuse angle case lana sifuna ukuprova ukuthi ABE I think it's so, yeah, ABE, this angle is equal to BED. Sifuna ukuprova ukuthi ABE is equal to BDE, and then we are also given that to ABC is a tangent. Now the proof here tonight again we do a construction. So a construction yala izohamba njani, izohamba so you always need to produce a diameter la. So this is connector. Now this one this time, not to E. As connecting no E is connector one, not D. The aim lana is to produce a bow tie every time. The aim is to produce what's this man? A bow tie. So that is what we sebenzisa when doing a proof. When proving la. What's happening? Okay. Okay, now proof we have drawn OB. Okay, lana, let's say F, it's BOF, draw BOF and FD. OB1, lana, it's, let's say maybe B1 and then B2, B3, then let's divide deal in a corner. So divide into 1 and 2. Yes, 1 and 2. Therefore B1 was over equal to 90 degrees. Theorem number 7. Tangent perpendicular to a radius. And then another 90 degrees. When you 90 degrees we ambona na. Muna yambona D1 is equal to 90 degrees. Theorem number 3. Lana we have 90 degrees as well. So lana angles in a semicircle. In a semicircle. So theorem na ukwenza ama proofs kwamele ukwazi. It's required. It's a requirement kwamele ukwazi ukuprova lama theorems lawa. So nangabuya yikhohle theorem, you can just come back to lama videos and rewatch them ukuthi uzikhumbuze ukuthi siwaprova kanjani. B2 equal to D2. B2 now. B2 ulingana no D2. Ama angles in the same segment. Angles in same segment. Angles in the same segment. Right? Now, siyabona ukuthi B1 ulingana no D1 because lama angle alingana ngoba they are both equal to 90 degrees, and B2 is equal to D2, right? So kuchaza ukuthini ke lo? Kuchaza ukuthi B1 plus B2, they are both equal to D1 plus D2. So D2 no D1 now bahlanganisa ba equal bakunikeza ubani B1 no B2. Why? Ngoba nangihlanganisa B1 no B2, B1 and B2 kufana nokuthi okay, nangihlanganisa B1 no B2 i-answer yakhona izoba equal to B1 and B2 ngoba they are both lama angles aya lingana lawa. So therefore angle ABE is equal to angle BDE. That's okay. So prove it like obtuse angle case. Okay, now asiya ku converse again manje. Now for the converse for theorem number 1, theorem 9 I mean. Since ekuqaleni we were given that ABC is a tangent, now we are required to prove that ABC is a tangent. This time we are given with lama angles lawa. Lama angle lawa yalingana lawa. These two angles, the angle le ilingana na le angle. We are given this time. Now we have to prove that ABC is a tangent. That's the converse of theorem number 9. Uzoyibona iba useful kakhulu, especially nangabe sowenza ama rider where you are required to prove ukuthi such and such line is a tangent. Sizofika kulawo ma questions as well. Now lana we want to prove ukuthi this is a tangent angithi. So into soyenza we all ngathini sisebenzisa the same method, the same not method but rather a construction esisebenzise for proving theorem 9. So nalana ku even here go lokanje ku even here let's call this f. Nala converse theorems are the same construction. We need the bow tie. We need the bow tie. So proof here together. We start by drawing BOF again and EF. Therefore, we can see that angle B2 is equal to angle E2. Angle E2. Okay, I'm calculating this thing in my head, man. Right, let's say this is 1, 2, and then it's 2 and 1. Let's do this. So the angle equal to the angle yala. Why? This is given. Basnikezile the information there. And then B1 as well. B1 equal to E1. B1 is equal to E1. Angles in the same segment. Angles in same segment. Angles in the same segment. And then what else? B2 plus B1. Le angle le nangihlanganisa na le angle le, it's equal to le angle lega E2 uma ngihlanganisa no angle 1. They are both equal. But E1 yabona, E1 plus E2, it's equal to 90 degrees. E2 plus E1, they are both equal to 90 degrees. Why? Angles in same segment. Angles in same segment. Angles in semicircle, not same segment. Semicircle. Angles in semicircle. So the angle le plus the angle le nigezubani 90 degrees. Voila. And then B1 plus B2. B1 plus B2, now it's 90 degrees. Why? Le angle le nangihlanganisa na le, they are both equal to 90 degrees. Ngoba iradius, I know this is a diameter, but diameter is in a radius. This is a diameter, this constructed line, but inside this diameter is in a radius now, OB. So theorem 7 we apply. Radius is perpendicular to a tangent. We are going to a tangent. So therefore, if this is the case, ABC is a tangent. According to the theory kabani ka B1, I mean ka 7. Tangent is always perpendicular to a radius. So this is how you prove your converse. You always check what you are given. Now but you prove something. Now but you prove such and such theorem. Always check what you are given. Sometimes uzozithola so prove something engekho, or uzozithola prove something a wrong. So it's important to check ukuthi to prove in. Okay, I started an example again, maybe 2. Yeah, started a 2. Then lana go example number A. Sifuna calculate x using theorem number 9. Sifuna calculate y using theorem number 1. Y over equal to 70 degrees. Y is 10 chord, and then x now is equal to 60 degrees. Y is 10 chord. Ungakhohlwa siyazi ukuthi le angle le equal to this one according to theorem 9. This one equal to this one. So asenza B x uzoba equal to 100 degree. Y. Okay, lena bekuyi acute angle case, lena kuba yini obtuse angle case. So x is equal to 100. Same reason as above, tan chord. And then y is equal to 40 degrees. Same reason as above. It's a mark. So whenever ubhala a statement with Euclidean geometry, a statement or an equation, or if ever we set a variable into a value, you need to prove, or you need to provide a reason why usho kanjalo. So every time ubhala a statement, provide a reason. Now u 90 degrees plus 30 degrees plus x mhlambe is equal to 180 degrees or 360 degrees. Provide a reason, sitshela ukuthi why uthi this is valid. Yabona? So that's the advice engifuna ukuyishiya lana. Now what's next ke manje? Sengifunde wonke ama theorems from 1 to 9. What's next? What's next to learn ke? Right? Ngoba in an exam or a test, Euclidean geometry abayibuzi, so abakunikeza something as simple as this or something as simple as this. So the aim la was just to teach you ukuthi lama theorems asebenza kanjani. So in the description box I'll also leave a link where ngenza ama examples sebahlanganise all the theorems. Well, in some cases not all of them, mhlambe bathatha 2 or 3 or even 4 or even 5 bawahlanganise into one problem. Then you need to discern wena kwamele ucheke lapha kuleyo problem leyo, uanalyze ukuthi kwamele usebenzise utheorem bani and bani. I'll also show you ukuthi siyenzani, lama theorems siwasebenzisa nakenze njani. Theorem 1 simsebenzisa makwenze njani, theorem 2 simsebenzisa makwenze njani. Check out the description box. I've also left a link for that video as well. So for now, asibonane on the next video ozobuyibukela lapha. So thanks for watching guys. Bye bye.